how I made this Loth Cat prop, inspired by the one seen in the Ahsoka trailer. Sits on my shoulder and it's fully poseable, so you can make it move into different positions. I started with some fence wire stuff that I just had spare and kind of made a skeleton out of that wire so it would be poseable. Then covered it in some upholstery foam and a bunch of tape until it looks something kind of like this, kind of a cat shape, I guess. I'm not too sure. Then for the face, some normal foam, duct tape, drawing on multiple pictures of kind of drawing on a rough face and then overlapping it on Pixar with pictures of the actual cat, sculpting it here with basically bathroom filler, but it kind of works. Again, drawing on, overlapping with Pixar until I got something that I was happy with. Rough test paint, and then I think I was finally happy with the face. Then gluing down some thin fur. It looks kind of like a monkey here more than a cat right now, but it's starting to come together. So here's the shorter fur, and then I've got the long pile fur, which, well, it gets everywhere, sadly, and it looks crazy right now. So I used a brush, and as you can see, it's getting everywhere, and some hairspray, and trimmed it down a little bit until I got something I was happy with. I'm still finding fur now. Then for the dots and stripes and markings, I used some brown puff paint, watered it down a bit, and taped a sponge to the other end of a paintbrush, and dabbed it on, brushed it through. And here it is kind of completed. There's definitely a lot I would change if I redid this again in the process, but I'm pretty happy with how it turned out for the first time doing something like this. As I mentioned, it is fully poseable because of that wire skeleton, so you can move its legs, move its body, make it sit, make it stay, kind of do whatever you want. So here I am kind of making it stay, bending its tail, making it sit down on top of Chopper, who doesn't look too impressed with this, and then undoing that, making it stand, because I can do that, which I'm really happy with having it poseable. So I'm really looking forward to having this with my Ezra cosplay at Comic Cons coming soon. Overall, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I'm looking forward to having it on my shoulder at May Comic Con at the end of this month, along with having some May Lou runs with me, which a video will be coming on those soon.